GHCELEBRITYBIZ.com.
Modernization, chicken from one pressure, street orientation. Modernization, from one pressure. Niggas sharp bro. All my niggas sharp bro. Cover face like badger. Get feel like but we know they cup. Sit up boss them tap. Pass for the shit rababa. Oh my ijo rababa. Feeling good banana. Music don't need permission to enter your spirit. Anyway, anyhow, you know say you go feel me. Music don't need permission to enter your spirit. Yeah. Anyway, anyhow, you know say you go feel me.
Awilo lokomba, eguchika tokawa, wabadni iwamba, I live it like no other. Ewanya na kwachu nyapito bawagime. I don't need talk and go no feeling good parana.
I mean, for you go fire. Yo. California go to point go fire.
Everybody they want one. They didn't bring any.
Okay, so you are welcome to the mango plantation for the Department of Agriculture, Sciences and Technology. There is a profound statement in Ever that Apamora Dotri. We would like to start from where the department has established its mango plantation. Over here, we are having over 10 acres of mango here, and as you can see, some of the fruits have started coming. Meanwhile, forcing has not been done yet. So we are just entering the rainy season, of which soon, if we don't vacate, those of us in the department, they will bring us here. We will come and do forcing. That is, we will spray the plants to induce the flowering for the formation of the fruits. So basically, this has been established by the department. Agrosa.
Improving agriculture.
Okay, we will go once again. So the question will come. The questions will come. So you don't worry. When you say Agrosa, you say improving agriculture, improving lives. So we will go once again. Agrosa.
Improving agriculture, improving lives.
Yeah. So, okay, our Vice President wants to ask a question.
Vice President, go and ask a question.
Yeah.
I want to know when we come, we saw some family there. Is it part of the plan? and I'm not done. And when we are going, since you are the one coordinating and leading us, can you
I mean, great thing.
We will buy actually.
Okay, so as you said, what you saw there is not part of us. This is where we've come. So if probably when we are going back, then you yourself you want to appetize a little, you can just do that quickly and then get to the back.
I like your question. I'll join you.
The school has a tractor, but it is managed by the Department of Agri. It is managed by the Agricultural Engineering Department. So if you want the tractor to plow, those tractors are being used here. Yeah, but if on your own you want to use it, you can just book it from them. I think 1 acre they plow for 400 cedis. You book it with them and then they get to your field and do the plowing for you.
Okay, furthermore, they have a personnel here so that if in case individual want to acquire knowledge, he can come alone, not in group.
Not in group. Okay, so for that one, I'm not sure there is anyone here now. But when we start with the forcing, you see people over here very often. People will be here very often.
There is someone in charge, but
yeah, there is someone in charge. Even, due to theft, they have security people who normally monitor the place when they are done with the forcing and the mangoes have started coming. But the main person who can answer questions about this place is Dr. Holu. If you want any specific clarification, when we get to campus, he will answer it. Then
I want to know the type of breed or variety that they are producing here and why they are producing that particular variety.
Okay, so we are having the Kate variety here. It is a hybrid one. So the whole place is populated with Kate. The reason why they have choose Kate, I was not there when they were doing the planning, so for that one, I can't answer. Yeah.
Thank you.
So with that, we will take a simple. We can't walk throughout the whole place. So we will walk a little pass around.
Yeah.
So let's all walk on the right.
Oh no, enough. Oh, time now has the bicycle.
You want to see the mango, eh? Don't worry.
We say only one. Only kids. Over 10 acres. That's okay. Please. I think where we have come to is okay. Let's get back to. Pardon? No.
Charlie, the lunch is a mango, so you pluck some and eat it now.
Passa Jola Bolo.
Passa Jola Bolo, you see, bro.
Please, we are moving up. If you don't want to move,
You suffered for 4 years for degree. Simple growing that you do, you know what
please, are we all set? Somebody was sitting beside you. Oh, please have yourself. I'm not inside. Melissa. I'm not inside the car. So we did it. Why you use this like that? He did not love her. The bad boy. Before you mean, are we all set?
No, let's
nation to the world, super. Me border, alright them. When the Messiah come, everybody has to room quick step in the yard. Kuna hari kakana show kataka kuna he.
Inside go Germany then for go C++. How do I go? My hand inside and they can't work you. We are working to MMU. You left 2 plays, boy, for hope to game on. I can't go to kill. Never go by cake. Pork, the top pig are big. But we know they buy from the 2 portions.
Comedy show me.
That guy is not serious.
You don't get this show. If you're attacking our office, it's different. Understand? Just like how we can
But our main product is maize and rice, and we do hybrids. Hybrid is a technology. It's conventional. Naturally, there is hybridization, but in hybrids, we control the hybridization. So basically, we identify male and female of maize. Maize especially. Rice is a little difficult. So we are not yet into rice. Maize is easier because maize, all the reproductive organs are exposed. The tassel is exposed, the silk is exposed. It's not covered. Rice is covered. Vegetables, they are covered. So maize is a different animal altogether, different plant altogether. The morphology is different. So that is where we do the hybrid, and it's quite simple compared to vegetables, cowpeas, and rice. So the breeders, not we have breeders that do the basic work. And hybrid comes from something we are calling heterosis. You can go and Google heterosis. That's the plant vigor. It is assumed or it is noted that when you reduce a plant, especially maize, you can easily cross it. And you can easily cross maize by itself by using the same male tassel to cross the female tassel of the same plant, which we call inbreeding. So it reduces, and at a certain point in time it becomes 100% pure. If there should be 7 leaves before a tassel, it will be 7 leaves. The height will be the same, the color will be the same. So breeders use it, that technology, and they identify male and female. Male has certain characteristics and female also has certain characteristics. Because we want grains or we want big cups, female, one of the female characteristics should be big cups. And normally the males are a little weak, so their cups are small. And where heterosis coming is when you cross, let's say a male parent, a plant, we identify to give you 1 ton, just 1 ton per hectare, or even 100 kilograms per hectare. And then the female is giving you about 2 tons per hectare. When you cross them, it might give you 5, 6, 7, 10 tons. There will be a multiplying effect. So that is what we use. And what's the result? The child that comes out of it is able to withstand a lot of things. Is able to withstand drought, diseases, and the yield per unit area is higher than what we call OPV, open pollinated. Open pollinated is just the normal thing that we do. I hope you are getting me. Yes. Maybe all of you are not biological, don't have biological background, but just pick one or 2 words from it. So that is where our previously we used in Ghana, they were using only what we call Obatampa, one variety of OPV. It doesn't increase our productivity. This technology came from US, from the 1920s. You can still Google hybrid seeds or hybrids in the US. They'll give you all the history, what they've gone through. So now in the US, they are making 15 tons per acre. The recent publication they sent me, they are making 15 tons per acre. Whilst we are still grappling with 4 tons per hectare. When I say a hectare, you know what it means. You know what it means.
The sensor will give a signal to the panel over there, then the fire will go off. So it's automatically. When it's running again and then the sensor realizes that the temperature is down to give a signal, then the fire will come again. So that's how it used to work. But before we continue that, we have to be testing the product in the dryer to see the moisture level. When it's okay, then we'll put it off. If it is not okay, you continue drying it. Normally, before you put it, maybe it will be around 27% or 25% that way. But when you're drying it up to 15%, the seed mostly is supposed to be at 11%. But when you dry up to that level, before offloading it from the dryer, some of the kernels used to see on their own. So it has been giving us a loss. So at 15%, we used to take it out of the dryer. From there, we will sit down and sort it. Take the bad one out of it. Those that cannot germinate. We'll do all those things. After that, we shell. We have a shelling machine. One is inside under the shade, and then there's another one outside there. So from there, after shelling, then you see we have a moisture meter. When we are going, I'll show you. That's what you use to test it. We test it again, see the level of the moisture. If it is okay, then you bring it in. If it is not okay, then you retry. You have to make sure that that level of moisture content should be 11. If not, when you store it, as the time goes on, then it will start deteriorating. So the moisture content is very important.
Okay.
So if you want to clean, these are cleaning components. When you are cleaning, because of the size of the seeds, it will be draining the seed according to that. The small one will come from this side, the larger one will come from this side, the medium one will continue the process. But mostly we are depending on the medium ones. From there, this is our filter. We normally shift on the other side and they will bring the gravity separator. The process will continue with the gravity separator through the medium ones. They will continue the process. So the gravity separator also used to separate. Maybe some of the kernels are not good. When they enter, it will sort them out. But now we are about to supply seed into the market. So we shifted to the other side and we are using the traitor now. When we are done with the cleaning, we'll bag it and store. When it's time for us to supply in the market, then we'll bring them outside and use the treating machine, coat it with chemical and color. After that, we bag it 1 kg, 5 kg. Sometimes, depending on the quantity that the farmer wants, if you want the 5 kg, we'll bag it 5 kg. If you want it on 1 kg, we'll bag it according to that. There's a machine at the other side, which is the sealing one.
Yes, for going see.
When you do it like this, especially birds, when they plant it, they don't have access to it. But when it is white like that, it is easy for them. So with this strategy, farmers are also okay with it.
Wow. Is it chemical you apply to it or just a color?
Sometimes when they take it.
So which one is that? Is it Opebro or?
This is Opebro.
Okay.
So when you see there's a germination bowl over there, we out first.
And you don't be like
Hello.
I hope you guys are having fun.
Enjoy it.
I wanna be a farmer. I wanna be a farmer. I wanna be a farmer. This is the way I wanted to go.
No ref this.
Please, all of you should come around unless you have been asked.
I thought the plant house was supposed to go to
America go trust to look at money.
Every flow.
Somebody.
We go take him. You go do it.
Yes.
Semi and West Africa.
My way to South Africa. Where did you see the bear from?
Are you taking that tea? I want me. I want me.
trendybeats.com.
Modernization, chicken from money pressure, street orientation. Modernization, from money pressure. Niggas sharp bro. All my niggas sharp bro. Cover face like badger. Get feel like but we know they cut. Sit up boss them tap. Pass for the shit rababa. Omo ijo rababa. Feeling good banana. Music don't need permission to enter your spirit. Anyway, anyhow, you know say you go feel me. Music don't need permission to enter your spirit. Yeah. Anyway, anyhow, you know say you go feel me.
Awilo lokomba, eguchika tokawa. Bobad ni iwamba, I live it like no other. Ewanya na kwachu nyapito bawalime. I don't need talk and you go no feeling good parana.
This is where the real point is. These are livestock area. So everything here you point and we kill for you. The other one. Humans are excluded. Humans are it's not free.
Your line is breaking.
He meets no good job.
So your line is breaking. The park itself is about 8 years old. This land was acquired more than 30 years ago. Okay. But this park, this space like you see, it's about 8 years old. Okay. We've been doing the development slowly. About 4 years ago, that building was not there. You can point at the pig of that one.
Then they'll kill the pig for you.
You point at the pig.
Then they'll kill for you.
Please, you have to go back small because the water is dirty.
Okay.
Everybody come.
So these ones, we bought them not too long ago. We have a lot of sizes here. And the one you like, we have 200 CDs, 150 CDs, and 100 CDs. Depending on the size, you can go. I want this size in your pocket. So let the guy demonstrate how you can.
5. This one, 200. Hey, see the guys hey. Yeah, wow, don't
Don't allow them to hold it so they die.
Yeah.
Hey, it's okay. Don't hold it. Hey.
Like this.
It's okay,
Point and kill.
It is, but then it depends on the appetite of people for it. People to have like cat food that much.
Aquaculture.
Meat is nice. Hello.
Wait for man. Wait for man. Where India?
White color.
Where Botswana?
Yeah, white color. Amen.
Where are you?
The eye is nice.
Asante.
Ima.
And of course,
Ima.
Let's move. By 3 o'clock, we are getting out of here.
Let's go.
Sorry, I let me hold down a corner.
You go hold on.
I won't hold on. I want my leg choking neck. Then open him mouth. They go take me picture. I'll give you my phone. They take me picture. Okay. Are you go take me picture?
Where they are no corner.
Where the guy there? You do like you go past the party.
I'm His Excellency Agoha Gideon Julius. I'm the departmental president for the Department of Agriculture, Science and Technology. I double up as a local president for APSAC National. Yeah, those are my accreditations on whole technical university. Actually, you see, we are on campus, but what happens is that even though we are learning, we have to see what is happening outside the university community, so that even as we are preparing ourselves for the future, we know how we can prepare ourselves. That's why the Agoha Gideon led administration thought it wise to be it as a policy that students of the department will go on tours to see industries and know what they are doing over there, so that they can also prepare in those areas. Based on the experiences we've had today, I would recommend that other departments, faculties who don't embark on these trips should try and then organize their students and go, because who knows that on a journey to somewhere, a student can develop a business idea and introduce it into our economy and bring a change, especially in the agriculture field. So that's why, that's simply what I will tell my fellow presidents on the HTU campus. Yeah. This tour will happen every year. If Christ tarries, this tour will happen every year, because it's going to be a policy. It's a policy that has been arranged, and it has been approved by the students' board. So every year, even though in my absence, things will happen, even though it hasn't happened before. This is the first time that my administration has actually taken the student outside. I'm hoping that those who succeed after me will also put themselves together and visit other agriculture industries. Actually, we are on an industrial tour, so we came here also to have an idea of what is happening basically.
So you're welcome. Thank you. I will just go this way. This is like I said, Dolin Agrochemicals. We deal in all kinds of agrochemicals and then inputs. We deal in all kinds of machines, spraying machines and all that. Maybe if there is a question you want to ask, then you can ask. But by way of introduction, my name is Christian Oke, the MD. Yeah. There's systemic, there's selective, and then the selective, non-selective, and then and then also when it comes to the insecticides too, we have contact and then systemic. I hope you understand that. By contact it means that it works fast and then off, but the systemic takes a longer time. Then we deal in fungicides also. You know the work of fungicides? Okay. Then we have all kinds of seeds, maize, you know the other shop, we have all vegetable seeds and then the veterinary drugs as well. So Dolin Agriculture Shop is a one-stop shop. What I mean by that is, as a farmer, anything you want, you get it from here. The machine breaks down, we repair it for you. And we do virtually everything. Yeah, if there's any question you want to ask.
Okay. It's now time that we ask questions. It's now time that we ask questions. So if you have any questions, just by raising up your hand, we do it fast and then MD answers.
Myself too, I'm a product of Technical Institute. I did agric mechanization. Okay.
In case somebody wants to come and have knowledge, voluntary service with you so that he can acquire knowledge in the industry, do you take?
Our doors are open. We have been taking. We have been doing that. Yes. And I remember some time ago, I used to come and give entrepreneurship interactions with some of your colleagues.
I want to ask you, let's say you are into some farming activities, but maybe you don't have enough knowledge. Can you come here and acquire knowledge about how to do about it?
That's also part of our work.
Okay.
If we educate you, you patronize us.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that means we can come as individuals.
No problem. If you come here, we are over 10 staffs here. So we have time for every customer. That's one of our skills. One-on-one. Yes. Any question you want to ask, feel free.
So if I want to come and do attachment,
no problem. Even national service, just express the interest, I will apply for it for you.
For the air conditioning, if you don't need the road. Something in the bomb, that's a one day, yeah. That's one day, yeah. One of the one of the theater. All of my say, me, bomb, that's a one day, yeah. That's a one day, yeah. One of the one of the theater. All of my see, no.
Nobody no no, nobody no no, nobody no no, no tomorrow. Wait till me my own. I'm not in this alone. Because somebody in the search for the air condition, they belong in the road. Yeah. Hustler never envy another man. Hustler never envy another soul. Cause you never know what the judge plan. Man, no gonna report them by our soul. And then we are before the people who succeed. Because everything that you wish for them, the same you receive. Karma is a man you can deceive. Success is a state of mind. No matter what you do, the rich man dance. No matter what you say, the poor man dance too. We are hustling, man. Forever, someday we are gonna fly away. Thank you. Somebody. I'm boy again, not I. Yeah, me now. When me a party, me a great soul, papa. Me now look nobody face soul, papa. Killing and dog and the car race, papa. Man, I run up to the rapper. Check my status. Can't find no iOS. My status stronger than SOS. Gonna fly over. Be the same old flash. Them I check by them and madness. So me do me work. Nobody's there. I don't check it, I don't check. Just I do me work. People there. When the somebody drop it, go play shots like rockets. People there. When the bad man wreck it, watch the girl them and check it. People there.